guys, as you're coming at you back with another video, and probably a bit of an unexpected video. So I went to the phone recycling bin just today, and I found this Samsung Galaxy S7 in the phone recycling bin, and this is an amazing find, by the way. But it had one problem. The battery was severely bulging, so I actually did remove the battery like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes ago. So that's out, and I actually just ordered a new battery. It should be here in a couple days, so that's good. But you can clearly see it is a Galaxy S7, which is freaking awesome. So yeah, and everything else looks good. It's not like there's any sort of messed up components or anything like that. So, yeah, this is where we're at right now. So I have all the screws sitting over there. So yeah, it's gonna take a couple days for the new battery to get here, but once I actually can get the battery here, I'm gonna do like a little time lapse of me installing it and putting everything in it, and then I'm gonna see if the phone actually works, if there's any problems with it. So yeah, let's wait a couple days. So even though the battery's not in it, I actually just tried plugging it in to see if the screen is defective in any way. So I plugged it in. I'm just using the same cord from my Amazon Echo Dot. And you can see the charging symbol is pulling up. There is no lines through the screen as far as I can see. So that means the screen is good, which is awesome. But obviously it's not gonna fully boot up since there's no battery in it. So yeah, but that's a really good sign that the phone is in good condition. And it looks like, I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like it is updated pretty far based on what it looks like. Is that charging symbol looks very similar to the one on my S9. Now my S9 is on One UI. This doesn't support One UI, but that makes me think that it's on at least Android 7.0 or higher. So that's good. So once we get this new battery, I think we might be set. So yeah, this is exciting. Alright, so it has been about 3 days and the battery for the S7 is now here. So it's about to install it and see if this S7 is fully working. So let's go ahead and check it out, make sure everything is good. This is the first time I am opening the package, and as we can see so far, it does look good. Okay, even the battery connector is wrapped up. Cool. Yeah, this looks good. All right, let's go ahead and unwrap this battery connector. Actually, no, I'm gonna get a close-up shot on this. All right, so I moved the tripod over here so you guys can see it a little bit better. I know the angle's a little weird, but I'm trying to get it as best as I can. I guess I'll try and move it over a little bit. But let's go ahead and unwrap this battery connector. It looks good. Let's see. 3000 milliamps, so it is the right size. Okay. There is no new adhesive, but I think there's enough adhesive in here that it should be okay. So let's go ahead and just place it down as far as it can go. Okay guys, we got it. It's working. It's turning on. No way. I can't believe this is actually happening. Okay, the phone's on Sprint. Cool, cool. Dude, this is freaking awesome. Yes! Okay, so we still need to connect the rest of the parts, but once we do that, I think it should be good. And I can feel the vibrations motor isn't working right now, but that shouldn't be a huge... Oh no. Oh no. It's got a passcode on it. Okay. Oh, that's getting very warm too. Okay, let's shut this back down. Oh no. This is way more difficult than I expected. So the phone is working, it is good, But the issue is, well, first off, it's got a passcode on it. So I gotta find a way to either like, I gotta just either try multiple combinations or just like find a way to wipe it if possible, which is gonna be difficult. But you know what, I'm just gonna keep trying it until it works, really. Because, you know, if I don't get it, then I don't know. But you know what, I'm gonna try it, and like if nothing works, then I don't know. I'm just gonna search up like every possible Android pattern, which sounds really stupid, but dude, I gotta figure out how to get this phone unlocked somehow. So wait. I'm gonna see this bottom one first, and then do this middle one, and then do the upper one. Maybe that'll be the trick. Go ahead and screw these parts in. So this is why the S7's a nightmare to work on, because you know that there's so many like different bits and bobs that you have to like go through. So many like obstacles that have to be done. At least the phone works. At least we got that far. It's got a theme on it though, which is interesting. And I couldn't figure out how to hard reset this. Like, dude, I don't know. No idea. But okay, these aren't as hot now. Let's try and connect this part now. Hoping that the wireless charging is gonna work. Let's go ahead and start connecting stuff. This is connected. Let's connect this part right here. Let's get this top part. Okay, so the phone is set up and it's looking good to go, but I still need to unlock it, try and wipe it as best as I can. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna test some simple things. Let's see if it can charge. Okay, cool, it is charging. Let's check it out now. Let's put it down. Make sure wireless charging is working. No! Okay, so the wireless charging doesn't seem to be working. Oh well, not a big deal. I can probably live with the wireless charging, it's really slow anyway, so. Alright, so the phone is currently restarting right now. It's very warm, but I don't think it's bad. I think it's just, you know, like normal heat. Like my S9 does that all the time. But I'm trying to get it unlocked. I'm just gonna try it. I'm just going to try to like search up every possible pattern. Just keep on trying. Just keep on trying. It's going to take me a really long time, but I don't know what else to do at this point. I really don't. Alright guys, so I just loaded it. I just like tapped into the back of the bootloader and tried to wipe it. Hopefully this works. I'm going to give it like 10 minutes and see if, you know, if it'll go into reboot mode. I think it should. So I'm just gonna leave it go for now and wait until it's ready. See what happens. Yeah, we'll see what goes on. Holy shit, the light turned off. Installing applications, that's good. That's really good. Okay, I think we might be good here. Oh, okay. I'm gonna reseat everything again and set everything back up. Guys, look, it's on the setup screen! Yes! Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Finally, it is on the freaking setup screen. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Well, we were getting pretty far, but it is now Google locked. Shoot, I gotta bypass this somehow. I gotta figure out how to get this bypassed. Damn. Alright. Oh, shit. You know what? I'm just gonna try and do a recovery. Oh, it's actually sending a verification code to my phone. Wow, okay. Alright. Okay guys, so as you can tell, the phone is Google locked, and I've been trying bypass it for the past couple hours. Nothing's working, so I'm gonna come back in about a week and see if I update you guys if any progress has been made. If it has, I'll tell you, and if it hasn't, I'll still tell you. But this is where we're stuck at right now. On the setup screen. Can't get past the Google lock, which is really annoying. I really wanted to have this phone for Android 8 and this, you know, the Samsung experience. So, you know, this phone sucks. No wonder it was free. But yeah, this is where we're at right now. They'll come back in a week ended up being a bit of an exaggeration. It is only about 2 days since I recorded the last clip, but I did find a bypass that works, and the S7 is now set up on all my data, which is freaking awesome because, well, this is the last phone to support the Samsung experience, you know, before One UI. Because here's the thing, with One UI, I don't mind it, but I like this version better. Okay, you want to match my fingerprint there, thank you. I just like this version better because it just looks cleaner, it just feels better to use. And even on the S7, even though this is a, you know, it's a 2016 phone with a 2018 operating system, it still runs pretty well. It's pretty quick, so yeah, but now I have a fully working Galaxy 7. Well, I say fully working with a couple slight caveats. First being that since I opened up the phone, the water resistance is now completely shot, but do I care? No, I don't. And the wireless charging no longer works. I think there's like a loose connection, but I don't really care because honestly, this has the same battery size as my daily driver Galaxy S9, and my S9 charges slow as hell on wireless, so it's much easier for me to do cable charging, and, you know, I don't care. It would be nicer if this had USB-C, but it's fine, you know. See, it works fine. It does support fast charging, so that is nice. But yeah, the fingerprint sensor does work pretty well. It's a little bit slower than my S9, but it's not even that far off. The speaker is not as bad as I remember it being. It's pretty decent, but it's not a fantastic speaker. It's not as good as my S9, and it's not coming close to the iPhone or the Pixel. Yeah. The camera, well, I think it might need a clean, but as of right now, it's a little bit off its game. So this is what the selfie camera is going to be looking like. And this is what the rear camera is going to be looking like right now. You can judge that for yourself, but I'd say it looks a little bit off its game right now. But I think maybe if I clean that, it'll look a little bit better. So yeah, maybe we'll find out. But yeah, it's cool that I finally have a fully working Galaxy S7, and I got it for free. So you know, that's cool. But yeah, that is gonna wrap it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get as many subscribers before my 4-year YouTube anniversary, which is on the 16th. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be streaming for that this year, but I will post on Twitter, you know, statistics and stuff. So you guys will see that. If you want to see those out of 4-year statistics, make sure you guys head over to my Twitter and follow me at It's Isaac Graves. You guys already know. And I will catch you guys later. Peace.